Hi, this is Kim with Eat Fat Lose Fat blog, and today we're going to make a keto low carb pizza made out of cauliflower. First, you want to get one medium head of cauliflower or a big bag of cauliflower rice and cook it for 2 minutes in the microwave. Put your cooked cauliflower in a non-terry cloth napkin. Okay, here's where you squeeze the cauliflower really tight, get all that water out. You want it to be as dry as possible. Dump your dried cauliflower into a bowl and add 1 egg, 1 cup of mozzarella cheese, a half teaspoon of salt, 2 tablespoons grated Parmesan, and 1 tablespoon of dried Italian seasoning. Go ahead and mix it all up. Using your hands, pat your cauliflower onto your Sil-Pat liner and make a circle. It'll be about 12 to 13 inches wide. Bake your cauliflower crust at 425 degrees for about 15 minutes. Okay, here's where it gets interesting, folks. It needs to be crispy. I like crispy pizza. So after baking it for 15 minutes, take it out of the oven and flip it. Now add your toppings. I like pepperoni and onions, but any low-carb toppings will do. Now you can just broil the pizza until the cheese is brown on the top and it's all bubbling. Doesn't it look wonderful? See, you can hold this pizza without getting your hand all wet from sogginess. I love crispy pizza. Let's eat. It's only 4 carbs per slice with toppings too. If you'd like to see more keto and low-carb recipes, join us at eatfatlosefatblog.com. Thanks!